reviews.
So these are Maldon sea salt flakes, which are essential for any food photographer or stylist because they are the bigger flakes of salt. And so you can see the texture when you add them to a dish. And I love using sea salt. I add this one to savory dishes, to sweet dishes. I discovered this brand about 2 years ago when I first began doing food styling and trying to get a little more creative with it. I love adding it to pieces of chocolate and having that like flaky sea salt on top to get that texture. As you can see, there's a really great flaky texture, and so it shows up really well in photos. I would recommend this product for any chefs or any home bakers, any food stylists that need that extra element in